Hi guys, welcome back to Limited Productions. Today, well, I've just finished work, but on the way home from work, I'm gonna go and put the Move on the dyno. There's some plans coming in the future. You'll just have to wait and see what happens, but let's just say we're getting a power test and seeing how we can improve on that. So let's head to the dyno. We're going to boosted performance. We'll be there in a sec. In she goes.
Shit's gonna reach. It's gonna reach.
Move's been difficult, doesn't want to get strapped down. The joys of owning a Daihatsu that has no rev tacho means you have to jerry rig it. Gotta get footage of the jerry rigging. One done. Let's see how she went. Look at that, guys. 34 horsepower. Not bad. So, second run, we've put in the air fuel sensor just because we think it's running a bit rich. Let's see what happens. See if we can make a bit more power or figure out how to anyway. Let's go. Didn't look that rich. Even from out here that time, it didn't shoot the fuel out.
Clean. It was clean the whole way. Apart from at the end.
That's surprising though, because it didn't shoot a cloud of smoke out like the back. I'm wondering if it had just been idling for a while or something.
Yeah, it was clean the whole way.
Yeah, it's 14. I can see it from here. How'd it go power wise?
Same. Oh, one more.
Hey, we hit 35.
0.6 more.
That's pretty consistent though. Oh, look at the torque. Oh,
Yeah,
I suppose you
started
came
like different.
Still followed that
speed,
same
yeah.
curve though, hey?
But yeah, you can see it's still the same.
Yeah.
It's freaking weird.
I mean, I'll give it consistency, but...
Alright, so, fuck, I'm not even registering on there at all.
So quite lean.
I'll change this to 16.
That's weird, because the first one smelt rich. 15? Whoa.
Yeah, I was like 14.7, 8 most of it.
Yeah.
And obviously there, but then it, before it even hit limiter, it richened up heaps. And that's probably why it's dropping off so much there, the power. So
that's quite lean. Should be around 13-ish.
yeah, 13. Well, factory. Yeah, around 13. Well, some cars are different. They just run lean all the time.
Yeah, maybe they run this lean for fuel efficiency. I don't know.
But yeah, it would be losing power there. Probably not a lot. Might be a couple horsepower in it.
Yeah.
If you go back down to like 12.7, 12.8.
Might even be like that since I advanced the timing. I don't know.
It shouldn't matter a real lot.
No. It was running a bit better
Yeah.
when I did that.
Is it an airflow meter? It's a map sensor, isn't it? Car.
Map
Yeah, it's a
sensor,
map
yeah.
sensor. It shouldn't matter a real lot.
No. That's quite interesting anyway.
Better up at the end there.
Yeah. I mean, this was consistent. Because it'd be heat soaked. Drove home from Maryborough.
Yeah.
So it's not going to make any less power than that.
Yeah, the other thing we can do is pull the filter out. Filter off.
So trying to chase that extra little bit of power, we've taken off the air filter. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. Last run, see if we can crack maybe 36 horsepower. We'll see how it goes. Last run with no air intake. Let's go. Yeah, I might have left it. Yeah, I put the filter, I put this there, but I picked it up. Good save. Not that it would have probably gone far, but still. Last run. Hopefully we made the most power. Hey, most power, 35.5. Look at that. We made 0.3 of a horsepower from no air filter.
That's it. We're not running that filter ever again.
Just got back from the dyno. Yeah, it went well. Made pretty much factory power at the wheels, so that's pretty good, and can't complain with that. So yeah, much more to come for the Move, the beauty in itself. Look at that. But yeah, so more to come. You guys have probably already noticed a couple of things that are new. I've been working on some side skirts, so yeah, in later videos you'll see it, and there hopefully will be some more power, but that could be a little while, so we'll just see how it goes. Anyway, thanks for fine tuning in Limited Productions, guys, and I'll catch you later.